Brilliant! You're here, which means you are the master of countability for now. But I have to remind you of something. Look. 1 pen, 2 pens. 1 horse, 3 horses. A piece of chocolate, 2 pieces of chocolate. A glass of water, 3 glasses of water. What's the difference? Yes, exactly. The countable words have an S at the end. If you can count them, you must use them in the plural when it's more than one. Oops, terminology. Okay, plural is when something is more than one. Okay, singular, plural. So once again, you must say 2 pens, 10 coins, but you just don't say 100 lux, 1,000 waters. Okay, please find a little reminder in your booklet about plurals. Another thing, as you learned in the first video, we can actually count the uncountable if we use measurements. A bar of chocolate or a bar of soap, a bottle of rum, a can of Coke, a carton of milk, a glass of water, a head of cabbage, a jar of jam, a slice of salami, a piece of paper or a piece of music, a roll of paper, a tube of toothpaste, a pocket of meat, or a stick of butter. These things are all uncountable unless we use any of these measurements. Okay, let's play a game before we finish this lesson. I tell you a word and you have to say if it's countable or uncountable. Okay? Dollar, money, music, song, suitcase, luggage, battery, electricity, whiskey, bottle, tip or suggestion, advice. It wasn't easy. Information, report. Don't forget, you can make an uncountable noun countable like this. Good job! That was it. I hope you enjoyed. See you with the next episode. Bye for now!